Good morning and Jain students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken the chapter, the interview from the book Flamingo, and the writer's name is Christopher Sylvester. So this is the second part, and this is about an interview. You can say is a part of an interview. So let's see what is here. I am a professor who writes novels on Sundays, Umberto Eco. So here interviewer is Mukund Padmanabham and the person who is giving interview is Umberto Eco, was a professor at the University of Bologna in Italy, had already acquired a formidable reputation as a scholar and for his ideas on semiotics and study of science, literary interpretation, and medieval aesthetics before he turned to writing fiction. And so many things he had written, like literary fiction, academic text, essays, children's books, and newspaper articles. His written means इतनी सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने लिखी. In 1980, he acquired the equivalent of intellectual superstardom with the means his book became famous. That was the name of the book, The Name of the Rose, which sold more than 10 million copies. So let's see what are the questions here and the answers given by Umberto Eco. So Mukund said, the English novelist and academic David Lodge once remarked, I can't understand how one man can do all the things he means Umberto Eco does. So Umberto Eco replies, maybe I give the impression of doing many things, but in the end I am convinced I am always doing the same thing. Then he was surprised, which is Umberto Eco is saying, now that is more difficult to explain. Means I can't explain that why do I do so. So I have some philosophical interest and I pursue them. हो सकता है philosophical reason हो, interest हो, और मैं वही follow करता हूँ. And my novels, मैं novels जब लिखता हूँ, even my books for children are about non-violence and peace. It is obvious कि बच्चों के लिए कोई भी novel लिखेगा तो non-violence ही होगी and peaceful, it will be peaceful. You see, the same bunch of ethical means manners also. I have a secret. फिर उन्होंने अपना secret बताया that if you eliminate means if you remove the empty spaces from the universe, eliminate the empty spaces in all the atoms, then the universe will become as big as my fist. Means अगर आप वैकेंट स्पेस को हटा दीजिए तो आपका जो स्पेस हो जाएगा मीन्स वो एक छोटी सी फिस्ट मीन्स हाथ की मुट्ठी के बराबर हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स ही इज सेइंग अबाउट द फ्री टाइम, about the vacant time that we get always, but we don't use that, but he was using. So here similarly we have a lot of empty spaces in our lives. Then he said one example. So he is saying that I always use that space. Suppose you are coming to meet me, you are in an elevator and while you are coming up, I am waiting for you. This is an interstice means empty space. I use that. So Mukund, not everyone can do that. Of course, your non-fictional writing, your scholarly work has a certain playful and personal quality about it. Then again he asked, have you consciously adopted an informal approach? क्या आपने informal approach लिया था या फिर it is something that just came naturally या फिर आपके पास naturally आया? फिर उन्होंने explain किया. He explained this in this way. When I presented my first doctoral dissertation in Italy, one of the professors said कि scholars learn a lot of a certain subject. So then they make a lot of false hypotheses, then they correct them at the end. But they put all the conclusions. You on the contrary means opposite. तो अम्बर्टो ने कहा, मुझे उन्होंने क्या कहा, even concluding your trials and errors, मतलब you come on the solution at the same time he recognized I was right and तब उन्होंने कहा कि आप तो उसमें you have done your best. Then at that point, at the age of 22, again he said, I understood scholarly books should be written the way I had done, but by telling the story of the research, this is why my essays always have a narrative aspect, and this is why probably I started writing narratives novels. So means जब पहले उन्होंने अपना एक प्रोजेक्ट सबमिट किया था, इट वाज इन अ स्टोरी वे, लाइक no format was there of project, लेकिन it was liked and appreciated by his professor. Then he started writing like that. फिर उन्होंने कहा, I remember that my dear friend Roland Barthes was always frustrated that he was an essayist and not a novelist. वो हमेशा परेशान रहता था उनका फ्रेंड कि वो एक essayist था, एक novelist नहीं था. He wanted to do creative writing one or day or another, but he died before. मतलब वो कर नहीं पाया. I never felt this kind of frustration. He accepted that I never felt this frustration, that what I want I am not able to do that, because he was doing whatever he thought naturally. I had nothing to do one day, and so I started. Then he accepted, मीन्स अम्बर्टो इको ने एक्सेप्ट किया कि नॉवेल्स जो हैं मेरी नरेशन को के टेस्ट को सेटिस्फाई करती हैं, बिकॉज मैं उनको नरेटिंग वे में लिखता हूँ, जैसे एक कहानी सुनाई जाती है उस वे में लिखता हूँ. मुकुंद, टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉवेल्स फ्रॉम बीइंग, अगेन मुकुंद इज आस्किंग, next question, talking about novels from being a famous academic, you went on to becoming spectacularly famous after the publication of The Name of the Rose. So you have written 5 novels against many more scholarly work of, so at least one more than 20 of them. Then he told over 40, Mukund, over 40, amazing. Among them a seminal piece of work on semiotics. But ask most people about Umberto Eco and they will say, oh, he is the novelist. Does that bother you? जैसे लोग कहते हैं कि आप नॉवेलिस्ट हैं, तो क्या आपको ये बातें परेशान करती हैं? यस, बिकॉज आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ अ यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर. मैं अपने को यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोफेसर मानता हूँ. हु राइट्स नॉवेल्स ऑन संडेज? इट्स नॉट अ जोक. I participate in academic conferences and not meetings of pen clubs and writers. I identify myself with the academic community. Then he accepted that he identifies himself with the academic community, not with the pen clubs and writers. Okay, if that most people have read only the novels, he laughs. I know that by writing novels, I reach a large audience. I can't expect to have 1 million readers with stuff on semiotics. So again, next question by Mukund, which brings me to my next question. The Name of the Rose is a very serious novel. It's a detective yarn. Yarn means story at one level, but it also delves into metaphysics, theology, and medical, means other parts, other things, other subjects, or you can say other field it is touching. So yet it enjoyed a huge mass audience. फिर भी लोगों ने इसको बहुत पसंद किया. मतलब मेडिवल हिस्ट्री है, इसमें थियोलॉजी है, मेटाफिजिक्स भी है. तो ये हाउ दिस पॉसिबल है ना. सो Umberto Eco is replying, आंसर दे रहे हैं. नो, journalists are puzzled and sometimes publishers also, and this is because journalists and publishers believe that people like trash and don't like difficult reading experiences. So here trash means useless books, and consider there are 6 billion people on the planet. The Name of the Rose sold between 10 and 15 million copies. So in a way I reached only a small, but उनको ये लगा कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसको पसंद किया. अब इतनी ही कॉपीज बिके, इतने लोगों ने पसंद किया, परसेंटेज ऑफ रीडर्स. बट इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली दीज काइंड्स ऑफ रीडर्स who don't want easy experiences or at least don't always want this. I myself at 9 p.m. after dinner watch television and want, मतलब उन्होंने डिनाई किया कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत लोगों ने इसको लाइक किया, बट yes, it was liked by all. Mukund is asking another question. Could the huge success of the novel have anything to do with the fact that it dealt with the period of medieval history? Means it means कि इस ह्यूज सक्सेस, इस नॉवेल की ह्यूज सक्सेस का जो रियलिटी है विद द फैक्ट कि ये मेडिएवल हिस्ट्री और वो अपनी बात भी नहीं पूरी कर पाए. एंड अम्बर्टो इको स्पीक्स about the answer. That's possible. But let me tell you another story, because I often tell stories like a Chinese wise man. My American publisher said कि उन्होंने बताया था कि 3000 से ज़्यादा कॉपीज that she did not expect, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं बिक पाएंगी, ठीक है. बट सो आई वॉज गिवन एन एडवांस, मुझे 3000 कॉपीज़ का एडवांस मिला था. बट एट द एंड, मतलब इट वॉज नॉट सर्टेन कि what will happen. Surprisingly, it happened that this novel became famous. A lot of books have been written about the medieval past far before mine. I think the success of the book is a mystery. मतलब he could not answer of this question why this books copies have been sold in this way. So उन्होंने कहा कि ये एक मिस्ट्री है कि ये इतनी ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल कैसी हुई. इट वुड नॉट हैव बीन द सेम वाई इट वर्कड एट दिस टाइम. इट इज़ मिस्ट्री, मतलब ये कितनी फेमस कैसी हुई, एक मिस्ट्री है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद.